Hi everybody, today we're going to unbox and review the Anker 622 magnetic battery upgraded version. 5000 mAh foldable magnetic wireless portable charger and USB-C for iPhone 14, 13 and 12 series. Let's start with the unboxing. The package comes in a sleek white box with a picture of the product on the front. Inside the box, you'll find the Anker 622 magnetic battery, a user manual, and USB-C cable. The Anker 622 magnetic battery is a 5000 mAh portable charger that comes with a magnetic wireless charging feature. It's compatible with iPhone 14, 13 and 12 series and can charge your phone up to once. It's also a phone stand, which is a nice added feature. The charger has a foldable design, which makes it easy to carry around. It's also quite lightweight, weighing only 140 12. The magnet is strong, so you don't have to worry about your phone falling off. The Anker 622 magnetic battery has a USB-C input and output, which is great for fast charging. It also has a wireless charging feature, which is convenient if you don't want to use a cable. The wireless charging power is 5 watts and 7.5 watts, which is not the fastest but still decent. The charger has a 5-level LED battery indicator, which is useful for knowing how much battery life is left. It also has Anker Multi-Protect, which provides overload protection and temperature protection. Overall, the Anker 622 magnetic battery is a great portable charger that's easy to carry around and has a lot of useful features. It's also affordable and comes with a user manual that's easy to understand. That's it for our unboxing and review of the Anker 622 magnetic battery. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.